Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can do ads on Instagram. So to do that, I'm just going to go to add tools. Wait, hold on, let me just show you. You have to have like a business account or a professional account. So go to settings and go to account and make sure your account type is either business or professional. Then you're going to go to add tools, and then you're just going to choose a post, for instance, and then you're just going to select the goal. For instance, you want more profile visits, select next, and you can either create your own or Instagram will create an automatic audience for you. Select next, select your budget and your duration. So for instance, you want to pay like around $30-40 a day, and then you can set the duration for like 6 days, and it'll say like the total on the top. Select next, and then you can preview the ad even. So this is what it'll look like on like feed, stories too. So it's not loading very well, but you get it. Then you can adjust your payment here, and then once you're done, you're just going to select boost post, and that's how you can basically do ads on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!